short-term versus long-term memory. Short-term memory is what you just recently did. Usually yun ang nawawala sa sa Alzheimer's. Yung ginawa niya kanina, kinain niya kanina, yung pinag-usapan niyo lang, kaya paulit-ulit sila, 'di ba? They keep on repeating the same statement or question, no? Meron akong isang pasyente na 90 years old na siya, ang mga anak niya 70 plus na. She keeps on asking them, "O anak, may baon ka ba sa school? O ito 100. O ito 100. Baon ka sa school." 70 years old na yung anak. Maya-maya tatanungin naman niya, "May baon ka ba sa school? O ayan bibigyan kita ulit ng ng pangbaon mo sa school. O kaya, kumain ka na ba?" 'Di ba, paulit-ulit nilang tinatanong. So, mostly, that is what we call short-term memory loss. As the disease progresses, because it is a progressive and incurable disease, you will eventually lose even your long-term memory. So, ang mangyayari, hindi niya naaalala yung ginawa niya or sinabi niya sa'yo kanina, but later on, she will only remember things in the past when she was a young girl, when she was still your mother and you were still a young kid. But later on, all of that will be lost.
Full episode out now.